Did you know up to 1 in 3 people sneeze when they walk into bright sunlight? It's not allergies, it's your brain wiring at work. Here's what happens. For some people, the nerves that process light from your eyes and the nerves that control sneezing get a bit mixed up. When sudden bright light hits your eyes, your optic nerve fires off a signal. But in people with this reflex, that signal accidentally triggers the sneeze pathway. It's actually genetic. If one parent sneezes at sunlight, you might too. No one's sure why evolution kept this quirk, but it's harmless, unless you're driving. So next time you sneeze at the sun, blame your wiring, not the weather. Like fun science? Hit subscribe.